we got an iPhone 13 with front camera not working issues. While switching to the front camera, blank screen shows the back camera working fine. Sometimes some glitches may cause such issues. Once, force restart and try. If the problem was still the same, then there must be any hardware issue. Most of the cases are related to hardware, causing force drop, water damage, etc. Let's disassemble the LCD first. Do it carefully. Disconnect all flags. Let's observe how the PCB status looks. Here you can see prior repair sign. Check all camera pins one by one for any missing circuit. All circuit looks complete with no any issue. There must be camera itself issues. Let's observe the front camera module. The camera looks good, but the connector looks damaged and the flex is also broken. Hard to find flex, so I have a donor camera. The front camera dot projector module is on the same frame, so I have cut it into two pieces to separate only the front camera. So I have to replace the front camera from another iPhone 13. The front camera module is not encrypted, so no message shows. Put the camera in the correct position and tighten it. If loose, then the image is shaking. After doing all, the front camera is working fine. If that stuff is helpful, then don't forget to like and share and subscribe to support us. It's me Akash. Peace out.